Ito yung chicha.
Baba yung mic para makita yung ano.
Pero at the same time, as you can see, gusto rin namin ipalaganap yung angking galing ng mga mananabi natin. Magtetela natin. Down south. Modesty aside, every year, your city government of Manila is hosting food caravan from Mindanao. Naalala nyo nung araw, dinala ko lahat ng pagkain dito sa Mindanao. Butas, isda, and so on and so forth. Then when I assumed office, Madam Secretary, about 3 weeks ago, we brought back again the foods of Mindanao. You know how much they sold? About 50 of them. 7.5 million in 5 days. In 5 days. Now, why we're doing that? Because of selling? No. We want them, the farmers in Mindanao, to meet the buyer. So magpanagpo yung consumer or institutional consumer at saka yung supplier directly from Mindanao. Plus of course, nabawi nila lahat ang gastos nila. Now, having said that, as you can see, itong mga hobby o produkto ng Mindanao can be made available here in Halal Town. Officially, malinis, maliwala, secured. Kalaunan, kayo, tanungin ko kayo, kayo mga Muslim na nandito, ayaw nyo ba i-garantiyan na lahat ng bibisita rito ligtas? Ligtas, inshallah. Yes. Ayaw nyo bang linisin? Yes. Ayaw nyo maging maayos? Yes. So, there is no problem for you to be successful in the coming months with the help of Madam Secretary. Diba? Kaya yun lang naman yan at the end of the day. So, we're very excited. Yan, yung mga plano at sinasuggest namin kay Secretary.
Okay.
Okay na. Okay. Mayor, quick lang. Yung sa... Tom.